the sights and the sounds of the ghetto in southeast Queens, where they have these cheap stores, the cheap stuff, and everything that says ethnocentric. And my problem is, how in the hell you want to get into mainstream America and you want to be an ethnic something or other? But when you have such a mixture, which is no longer purely African American, somebody whose turf it was before is going to fight to keep it. They use Jim Crow laws, Jim Crow tactics on me. And the congressman's office is busted, and every elected official who got the Hemsman's News picture in an email and didn't call the FBI, you screwed up. Those are the facts. And the facts are irrefutable. They're irrefutable. What are you doing? What do you think this is? You don't get a chance to decide what evidence you accept and what evidence you do not. Once you begin, you must continue. And at the end of it, you've got to give me a summary report. And good office skills will tell you, if you're collecting evidence, you've got to have an evidence log, Ida Smith. What did you think? I'm going to bust your boss's ass in court because of your frickin' incompetence, and every single frickin' one of you, along with every electronics company such as Microsoft, YouTube, and Hotmail. You come in the frickin' court!